Hey, my beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're talking about something super underrated, physical touch that men secretly love. And nope, I'm not talking about the obvious stuff. A lot of people think guys aren't that into physical affection unless it's sexual, but that's so not true. Touch is a huge love language, and the right kind of touch can make a guy feel safe, loved, and totally connected to you. So, let's get into it. Playing with his hair or giving him a scalp massage. You might think that only girls enjoy getting their hair played with, but trust me, guys love it too. Running your fingers through his hair, gently tugging at it, or giving him a slow, relaxing scalp massage can instantly make him feel comfortable and adored. If he's had a long, stressful day, lightly scratching or massaging his head can calm him down within seconds. And let's be real, if a guy lets you mess with his hair, it means he's really into you. If he closes his eyes and leans into it, oh yeah, he's loving every second of it. 2. Holding his arm while walking. This is such a simple but powerful form of touch. When you hold onto his arm instead of just holding hands, it gives him this strong, protective feeling. It's almost like a subconscious way of telling him, I feel safe with you. Plus, guys love the feeling of a girl gently gripping their biceps. It's flattering to them. If he's wearing a hoodie or jacket and you lightly hold onto his sleeve or tuck your hand into his arm, it makes him feel even more connected to you. It's one of those little gestures that sticks in his mind. Shoulder or back touches, especially when he's stressed. Guys carry a lot of tension in their shoulders and back, whether it's from the gym, work, or just life stress. So when you casually place your hand on his shoulder or give him a little back rub, it feels amazing to him. Even something as simple as running your hand across his back as you walk by can make him feel cared for and appreciated. If he's sitting down, try giving him a quick shoulder squeeze. It's a small way to show affection that guys rarely get, but secretly love. And if you really want to make an impact, a surprise back rub when he's stressed, he won't stop thinking about how much he loves having you around. 4. Resting your head on his chest or shoulder. This one is a big deal for guys. When you rest your head on his chest or shoulder, it gives off this deep emotional connection. It's like you're silently saying, I trust you. I feel safe with you. And that feeling, it's something a guy never forgets. Whether you're lying down watching a movie together or just sitting side by side, when you lean into him, it triggers a protective instinct in him. He likes knowing that he's your safe space, and this small gesture makes him feel deeply connected to you in a way that words can't always express. 5. Subtle hand touches. More than just holding hands. Holding hands is sweet, but the little, subtle touches are what really make a difference. Tracing small circles on his palm, playing with his fingers, or lightly squeezing his hand when he's talking about something important. These things seem small, but they actually create a strong emotional bond. If you brush your fingers against his hand while walking or gently run your thumb over the back of his hand when holding it, it sends a silent message of affection. These little touches make him feel wanted and appreciated in a soft, intimate way that he won't even realize is affecting him. 6. Hugging him from behind. Okay, let's be real. Guys act like they don't care about stuff like this, but the truth is, they love it. A surprise hug from behind when he's standing or doing something instantly makes him feel so warm inside. It's unexpected, affectionate, and gives off major you're mine energy in the best way possible. If you rest your head against his back while hugging him, that's it. He's hooked. It's such a small but meaningful way to show him love, and it instantly makes him feel more connected to you. Plus, if he reaches back to hold your hands while you hug him, that's a huge sign he's totally into it. 7. Fixing his clothes or touching his face. This is such a soft but powerful move. When you adjust his hoodie, straighten his collar, or fix his shirt, it shows that you care about him in a way that's both intimate, and nurturing. It's something small but makes him feel looked after and special. And if you ever lightly cup his face or brush your thumb over his cheek, yeah, that moment is locked in his memory. These subtle, tender gestures aren't just about touch, they're about making him feel seen, appreciated, and deeply connected to you. See, it's not just about the obvious touch. Sometimes the smallest, most innocent touches mean the most to a guy. They make him feel loved, safe, and connected without a single word. So, which of these have you tried? And which ones do you think guys love the most? Drop a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. Love you all.